3 ways to find your hidden talent. In the videos you find on this channel, you often hear me say how hard work and determination can allow you to achieve unthinkable results. Which is true. However, think what results you could achieve if you apply this attitude to something you also have a natural talent for. All of us have innate gifts that allow us to excel or at least do well in a particular discipline. The problem is that many of us often do not know what this discipline is. Talents can be artistic or technical, mental or physical, personal or social. Whether you're an introvert or an extrovert makes no difference. Your talents don't have to be profitable, useful, or conventional, but they will always be yours, a part of what makes you what you are today. In this video, I'll share 3 tips to help you find your hidden talent. Number 1. Get out of your comfort zone and try new things. If you've not found your natural talent, it's important to actively and creatively look for it. You'll hardly find your hidden talent while you're sitting on the sofa. You may have a natural talent for painting, or for playing volleyball, or for musical instruments. But if you never tried any of these disciplines in your life, then you'll never know. What if Picasso had never tried painting? Or if Roger Federer had played soccer instead of tennis? Or again, if Jimi Hendrix preferred playing baseball rather than electric guitar? Make it a goal to try, and take note here, I didn't say learn, I said try something new every week. You may not immediately discover something you have a great talent for, but by the law of large numbers, the more disciplines you try, the more likely you are to find something you're particularly suited to. Try out different sports and outdoor hobbies like fishing, windsurfing, or rock climbing to see if you have an untapped natural ability or instinct for it. Also, think to yourself, what are other people tired of hearing you talk about? Use the things you're obsessed with to discover related skills and talents. Even if you're obsessed with something that's difficult to link to a talent, like watching a TV series, try to dig deep. Maybe you're great at telling stories or analyzing narratives, and you could start your own blog or YouTube channel where you analyze various TV series or give your opinion on movies. Trying new things is the basis of everything. Number 2. Take a personality test. Personality quizzes are often used by companies to try to understand the natural abilities of potential candidates. It works the same with talent. Sure, this type of test doesn't identify talents in and of themselves, but they can provide you with useful insights. Myers-Briggs is perhaps the most famous of the personality quizzes, separating people into one of 16 personality types based on answers to a variety of questions and research performed by Carl Jung. The Keirsey temperament sorter separates people into various temperaments, identified by your answers to a variety of scenarios and questions. If you run a simple Google search, you'll find many similar tests, some more accurate than others. Don't go crazy looking for the perfect test. The purpose of this exercise is to give you an idea of what new field you should consider exploring. Number 3. Look back. Look back on your past. As you reflect on yourself in search of your talents, start by looking at your past. Were you a math wizard at school? Try playing chess and sign up for some tournaments. Think about your childhood. What did you often do as a child? What did you like? What were you known for? Sometimes this can reveal some of your deepest talents and will surely reveal interests that can be deepened. To conclude, unless you want to discover a talent for purely financial purposes, don't waste time trying disciplines for which you know immediately you have no interest in. After all, if you're good at something but that doesn't give you joy, then you're looking in the wrong place. Ask yourself what you like to do, dig deep to understand your type of personality, and look for talents in some way related to it. Good luck! If you enjoyed the video, make sure to push that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Also, don't forget to activate the notification bell. This way you'll be notified every time a new video is uploaded on the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day!